Welcome, guys. Okay, let me say something. It's very sad. What I want to say is this: PayPal, Amazon, Facebook, eBay, Apple, any of these companies you see today, they were not bettered from the start. Utrust is a platform that wants to become a very big competitor to PayPal, and now they've just launched their ICO. Sorry, they are done with their ICO. They just launched that coin, and it's not even long. Now, some people could have sold here. This was a coin that was selling for 0.06. Some people could have sold here. You could still get in 3 times. You can sell here. You can even sell now. This is way. Look at how the price was. Almost 90 cents. So you are talking about over, if I'm not mistaken, 15 times your money. Let's do random. Okay, almost 14 times your money in less than a week. You don't do things like that. Why did you invest? Is it? Are you saying that the company does not have a future again? Did you miss the ICO? If yes, go and study that white paper. Go through the platform. Make your own research about this platform before you neglect it. Much cannot be said about this platform, but just go and make your own research. And then Universa was selling very cheap, and you can, if you participate in the ICO, you can now you can get your tokens, and then you can be good to go. And then we're talking about Agrelo. Now, Agrelo, you know, I like going after what people don't talk about. Agrelo is a project that I know fully well that is going to be, you may be seeing the price to be less than $1. That was how Arrowchain was also. You are seeing Arrowchain. Arrowchain, let the price, I'm just like praying that the price fall down to like $1 or buy. Arrowchain is one of the very good projects also. Agrelo, you might be saying there are things like smart contracts and the rest of them, but what people fail to realize, the question is, let's go to CoinMarketCap. How much is the market now? The market climbed to over $700 billion, and the market now, by the end of this year, the market should be exceeding like $10 trillion. I'm not, maybe my prediction may be right or not, but let me just say something that the market will exceed $10 trillion. So if the market is exceeding $10 trillion, you will now be asking how many people will be using, okay, how many people have their money in this industry? That is the first question. The second question is, how many people are using this industry? The third question is, how many businesses are using this blockchain? Then it now comes to issues like Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is not very good. Let me check if the transaction has gone. I sent some Bitcoin now. It's over 3 hours now. Over 3 hours. The Bitcoin I sent, they have not yet been delivered. So the question is, what is the future of Bitcoin? I'm not saying it's going to crash. I'm not negative. But let's see what becomes of them in the upcoming years. And then let's talk about Agrelo. Agrelo is a project I really like because it goes beyond blockchain. It goes beyond blockchain. It affects businesses. All these technologies you are seeing. Why I like utrust. Utrust is not just a token you trade. I've showed you the price. It's not just a token you trade and the rest of them. No. When all these different platforms now, when they start doing business, how do we take it to the next level? Can we apply it to businesses, or is this something we just trade and make money around? No, we want to do something that we can apply to different businesses. So Agrelo is bringing the legislation or legal stuffs into the blockchain. So you now they have something like Agrelo legal binding smart contract wizard that help people with transaction. So keep your eye on this platform. I'll be reviewing it in depth tomorrow. That is the next video I'll be doing. So keep your eye on this platform. And let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's see how some of the coins are doing. Let's know if there are coins you could pick. BitShares, very good platform. Adore, very good platform. Steemit, very good platform. So there are many platforms, Binance Coin and the rest of them. So keep your eye on all of them. Do have a very good day.